Good afternoon, Miss Eva. I am Andrea Espinoza. I'm going to talk about the topic take care of yourself. Living a healthy lifestyle involves both mental and physical health. From my point of view, I believe I do live a good, healthy lifestyle. I am working on my mental health. I mean, having a peace of mind. As far as healthy physical health, I exercise 6 times a week. I go to the gym and it has become a lifestyle. One of the main reasons I like to take care of myself is because my body is not for young forever. So if I don't take care of myself now, in the near future or in a few years, disease will appear. Okay, as time goes by, technology is advancing in all areas. So in the 21st century, with new and advanced technology, people have the facility to have a healthier life. There are millions of apps when you enter your personal data, and that application make a diagnosis to give you new ambit. I mentioned it in this unit in some statement. Everyone should live a good, healthy lifestyle. In this way, they will not suffer from possible chronic or minor illnesses. Moreover, they will be able to prevent possible the treatment or medication. It is all a matter of motivation and self-discipline. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.